Welcome to our three-part series on how to set up and publish an online registration form. In part 1, we will go over the process of setting up the event in the CDM Plus desktop event registration module. Part 2 will move us to the CDM Plus web ministry tools, where we will show how to create a single event registration tool and set it up for the event you created in part 1. And finally, part 3 will go over the process for you to review the online registration form and ensure that it is behaving as you defined in part 2. Let's begin part 1 of our series by opening the event registration module in CDM Plus Desktop. We're working in the CDM Plus Essentials package. The first thing we want to do is create a new event within event registration. To do so, we're just going to click on Event Records button here under the Events area. This will open up Event Records, and what we'll do is we will click on the Add button in the left-hand sidebar. This creates a new event record, and we will add a description, location, beginning and end dates, registration deadline, as well as maximum registration and fees. We have now entered that information, as well as set a time frame for this event from 6:30 to 9:30 on December 3rd. So I want to go over a little bit about how the times were included in these date fields. As you can see, I have the include time checkbox checked, and if I click on the icon at the end of that date field, it'll bring up a date time picker. You select your time along with AM or PM, and then your date, and then you click OK. For this particular event, there will not be a registration fee, but the fees for this event can be found under Activities. If I go to the Activities tab, we have set up 2 activities that have fees associated with them. First is a table that seats 12, and another is just an individual seat. So if someone wants to register and purchase a table, they can select that when they register online. Likewise, an individual who just wants to register for the event themselves, they can choose the individual seat. Now, with the activities and the event information added, we can save this information and then move to our web ministry tools to set up the online registration.